Hi there, Airfix 1600 fans. In this video, we're going to be looking at one of their last and probably one of their best kits, the HMS Repulse. The kit for the battle cruiser HMS Repulse is quite nicely detailed and quite nicely molded. About the only place where this kit needs extra detailing is in the superstructure walls below B turret, where they've gone back to their old habit of molding the superstructure directly onto the deck. What this means is that there's no detail in the areas arrowed in the photograph, and you have to add portholes, the door hatches, and the stowed boat booms yourself. I did add some additional detail. However, generally speaking, the model is quite well detailed out of the box for its age. You will find some tricky areas of fit, particularly around the forward superstructure, so it pays to take your time, be patient, do a little bit of filing, and make sure the fit is good before you start gluing. I didn't take many photos of this model while I was building it, so the rest of the photos are of the completed model. As always, the photo etch adds a nice touch to these models. I've used the White Ensign Models photo etch set for HMS Repulse, which gives us the handrails, the aircraft handling cranes, and a few other nice touches. I haven't used all of the photo etch. Some of it I find is a little bit fiddly and not worth the trouble, but I use what I like, and I think it really enhances the model.